betting or taxes on betting. I do not think that we should even encourage betting. You get me? We don't have to encourage betting. So why should the government even recognize it to tax?
What should they do? Ban it completely?
Why should you? Because the young ones are in there, and I'm telling you, betting is like taking lotto.
Some older ones also bet.
You bet, and at the end of the day, you win only once or twice.
So you take some before?
So you are saying that betting should be banned?
It should be banned.
I'll say.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yeah, my a friend of Nana Yaa Jantuah. Oya bro abone pa mfanche me sebi. Oya bro abone. Now, one thing I've learned, or I'm learning about this journey of politics, and even as a citizen of Ghana, and they say, just think about you and your family. Don't think about me and Metia. Don't think about your next door neighbor. Think about who any family. Say aba mi kokotuno. Say me tuma party A and I say party B. What is that thing that my family will get directly as a benefit from the vote I'm casting? That is the question we are all supposed to ask ourselves, then answer before we even go to the poll. Say Ekwakotoaba. Now, if we want to follow the so-called celebrities, public figures here, they will keep misleading us. And it will be something that they will continually do. And after misleading us, when we go astray, when we go and vote for a government that is ineffective, that can't do anything for the citizens here, they will stand to gain their selfish whatever they have set their targets to. Nana Yaa Jantuah, just last year, me, our TV so, our TV3, our studio, in the heat up to the election, she was asking, say, and then a government and a kufuado neighbor me a buying crano, and then a moody task better betting so. Now, as 10% tax I will betting winnings no sooner. And what say a kufuado neighbor me a move as to her. Now, she was not saying it said they should remove the tax so. Ni argument ne say betting no. E idea be ya di boni. A idea be is discouraging a hard work among the youth. And the other day, Anka Akufo-Addo government, Bawumia government should actually ban betting completely. Not even think about putting a tax on it to even discourage the youth from going to spend their whole days at the gaming centers, betting centers. Say they are calculating odds. Yemami nekas asemu August 2024. Andrew Afibakubo. Not even up to 1 year. Not even up to 1 year. Na some mami you know I friend mami yeah mami I friend mami Yaa Jantuah no. Nana Yaa Jantuah no. When them say and John Mahama administration way your man appointment as presidential staffer. Mami we now say or a CPP ni. How she was able as a member of CPP to get an appointment under an NDC government, a question for the gods. Now, one thing we are seeing consistently, since Mami Weyama appointment as presidential staffer, they say she has completely departed from those things she even propagated or promulgated when they were in opposition, when NDC was in opposition, because she was even looking like a third party.
I'll say better, no. A Brahma man for release stress.
Yeah, of course. Betting it to me release stress. Because I buy a year above Manchester, you both say, would hey, sir, Obashana, dear, tell a you to say, it's Excellency Mahama Bear, yeah, you call ball, yeah, you char 5 and you char 3. A man could char better while winning the near J. What I say, I mean, Cassab,
Omo, yeah, a deal on the when you're at the Ketwell.
O say,
you
so now, what I say, it's a necessary have a conversation around it.
Okay.
That you don't take it too far. It is a game. A game is meant to relieve your stress.
Okay.
So we should have a conversation around this for us to know. Say, make sure say ujina baby enko to fashion me. Me will game be what my day so. It's me born a pep meti. Na masan ko pep. At a point, I told myself that this thing is wasting my time. Let me use it for something useful.
When you aviator now, but to be pale.
Me are
Aviator.
The point is that we should then now have a conversation around it.
Yes.
For us to tell people, say, yes, it's a game. It is meant to, sometimes I say, oh, shisha ni na no, why drink so ye juma? Why drink koba? Why drink koba? Unya idle.
Okay.
Udi nyansa ene yes adien. Intino, as I say, yenya conversation around it. But I also believe they said the lottery, yes, so lottery jinam. Obashem penyinfo bi ano omu ayi be Saturday, eno ye banker to banker de no. You during the week, no mukoko sala na you lotto money no calculating nkrofo jana ho. Ene wo hu sa de ni bio. So every season, every context, den a bar up. So I believe say His Excellency Mahama where ye because say eni se ye di sa burden no den eto ebu enye mabunu kwa na ye o empanyimfo bi kura ye bi omo yesie
Enye nti no yesie
o say den there be say ye nkola game na ono panyimu so kwa akoye bi nti won nyem konko fran panyimfo
lotu ye nkola game
o say me kan lotu no me
na by
and the people even would invite her to a show. She will sit down there like a neutral, claiming neutral. So that has always been the view of Yemami Efrenu and Yaa Jantuah. Enne Yaa Jantuah say betting no idea betting no ebuama small young boys ni young ladies ni even kofo omunyini elderly people no betting no buama omunya skade sorti omu ho up eti betting there tax aye free betting no so no adipa. You are seeing the differences in the statements made and positions. Now you ask yourself, say, adena ene ye mami oye o Kristoni a ojinya kuponde and a okachire say bet na ade enye na even God no even ye nyakupon ye sum no on pe bet na sem on pe say ye ni ma ye bet no e ba ne se na ene sa mami a kachire say bet na ye is because now she's an Article 71 holder. Now, Article 71 holder no so and then the benefits be bring neighbor. Salon car wo V8 wo Uko officer ping pong and I'm winning. And all those things. So now she's eating, meat is in her mouth, so she cannot speak against it. So you see the double standard. It is for this reason that Uko now bar, do not rely on anybody. Think about yourselves. Think about you and your family. Abambe ne di free seniors go brel. Na ko to amasa aban no. Abambe ne be man say ye health insurance be better. Na ko to amasa aban no. Na say all these celebrities we here. Ghana will not move forward. This has been the political rant with me, the voice, right on Ghana Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.